Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you on how to switch accounts on Roblox on both computer and phone. If you have other accounts in Roblox and you want to use that account, then follow the steps that I will show you to know how to switch. Let's do it first on the computer. For example, you're using Roblox in your web browser. Simply click on the gear icon on the upper right corner. In the menu that will show up, click Switch Accounts. Next, click on Add Accounts and then simply sign in to the other account that you want, or you can create a new one. We'll just add this other account right here. Now, once it is done, then you can check it by clicking again on the gear icon, then switch accounts, and there you go. You'll see other account on Roblox. Now let's move with Roblox on your phone. Click on the more on the bottom right, scroll down to the bottom and tap on switch accounts. Tap add account and then select login to existing account. Now you just sign in the account that you want to add or create a new one. I'll just sign in the account that I have. Then let's click it out. And there you go. You'll see that I have here the other account, and that's basically how it is done. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.